So, hello everyone. I am Hasanul Banna Himel. After a long time, I am back with you guys. So, I took a quite big break because I was having some issues with my studies and there were some sufferings from my end. So, after a long break, I thought that we need to start some things from scratch for me and for you guys too. So, what is my plan and why actually I am starting another new series? So, in this series, we will try to cover some deep things which I didn't cover in my previous playlists and other things. I didn't knew some things which eventually I learned, and now I will create these videos also which will help you guys to understand these things. So, what is my ideas? So, my ideas are pretty simple. As we learned earlier, the things, the maths, the concepts, the papers, all these things. So, what will be my input in this? We will cover some things. So, in my opinion, at first we will cover the linear algebra. We are going to cover the linear algebra. In this part, we will cover things like the vector, which I will try to cover all the necessary vector things, all the formulas, all the coding parts, and all the related paper. If we got time, we will try to cover all of these related things in one single video. Then we will try to cover the things on the matrices, the most necessary, also you can say the most important thing in our machine learning journey. We will cover also the necessary things, the coding parts, the papers in one single videos. And then we will try to cover the linear transformation, the linear transformation. So, in this linear transformation, we will again see all the detailed concepts, all the things, all the necessary stuffs in one single video. And then there will be one video with the things like eigenvalues and eigenvectors, and then the transpose of matrix, norms, rank of matrix, inverse, and identity matrix. All these things we will cover in one single video. So, to conclude this linear algebra, we will total have 4 videos. In these 4 videos, we all will be able to learn all the mathematical terms in the linear algebra. We will learn vectors, matrices, linear transformation, eigenvalues and eigenvectors, transpose of matrix, norms, rank of matrix, and finally we will conclude our linear algebra part with all these things. Okay, so now as we move on, let me just erase these things. Then what are we going to do after that? Just a bit. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, now in the second thing, in the second part of this series, we will cover the statistics, the stats, also the statistics. In this part, we will cover things like in the first video, we will cover things like histogram, the probability distribution, the normal distribution, the mean, median, and mode, and finally we will conclude our that video with exponential distribution. So all these things will take only one single video, and then we will move on to the population, the population and the estimated parameters. Okay, it will take us a single video. In here we will cover a thing, the whole thing. We will discuss the things in detail, and then we will learn about the calculating of the mean. We will calculate mean, the variance, then we will cover the standard deviation. Okay, so also this will take another one video, and in my opinion then we will try to cover the hypothesis testing. We will cover this, and then also in this video we will test the null hypothesis, and then we will also check in this video the alternate hypothesis. This all will cover in one single video, and then we will cover things like the p-values and how to calculate these. Also we will cover the p-hacking and how we can avoid this. Then we will cover the things like the FDR, or the false discovery rates. So this was the basic stuff, and then what we are going to do is we will cover the things like, you know, the things, what is that called, the Bayes theorem, the Pearson's correlation, the covariance, the expected value for continuous variable and single variable, the binomial distribution, the central limit theorem. We will try to cover all these things. So in my opinion we will take, for in the previous videos we took only one video for the statistics, but in this series we will take 10 to 20 videos to explain all these things in detail, cause I want to teach everyone the every single thing I learned till now. Also I will learn these things with all you guys, so it will be also for my learning and for your learning too. So now if we erase this thing, my bad, wait, this, let's just delete this thing. Okay, so then what are we going to do is, then we will try to cover the main machine learning concepts. So in these concepts we will understand the all necessary things, like, you know, like the general introduction video, there will be general introduction, there will be the cross validation, there will be the confusion matrix, sensitivity and specific, the what is precision, recall and bias, variance, the entropy and all the things. Also we will cover the linear regression, the multiple regression, we all knew in this type of stuffs. So for this video my idea is, for this series, my total time, I think I will give this whole series, I will try to provide 50 plus videos which will cover all the necessary things, and then we will create another a single series just for the papers, all the papers, all the necessary things we covered in this series. In this following series we're going to start today, we will try to upload all the videos every single day. So that was from my end. If you guys have any queries you can drop down in the comments, and till then keep learning and keep growing. Thank you everyone.